Alright guys, welcome back to another G Auto Repair YouTube video. Today we're working on this 2004 Lincoln Aviator. And the complaint on this vehicle, or one of the many complaints that it came in for, was a noise during startup. It would literally, it was like a chirpy, rattly type noise. It will last like less than a second, and then like maybe a second, and then it'll go away. So I initially thought it might have just been, dry belt or whatnot, but as you can see, that is not the case. We got something a little more sinister than that. Let me get some light here so you guys can see. And what we have here is the known timing chain guides that break on these engines. This is a 4.6 liter engine, by the way. And as you can see here, this is our problem right here. Look at that. That's that rattly noise that we hear, and it literally doesn't last long at all. As soon as it gets a little bit of oil pressure, that's it. It goes away. But this guide right here, the plastic is completely gone on this one. As you can see, it's rubbing on bare metal right here. And this one right here has got a piece of plastic, but the rest is bare metal, and that's where it's slapping right here. So it was just real quick. It wouldn't last long at all. Once the car's running, it was fine. You couldn't hear, you couldn't tell anything. It was as smooth as can be. But that initial start off, when it was cold, it made a bit of a racket. So if you're gonna do this, we're gonna go ahead and put all new guides, new chains, new everything, and now will be the time to go ahead and clean all these disgusting parts that leak over time and get crusted with dirt and oils and stuff. And to do that, we're gonna go ahead and use this super clean here. We're gonna soak it in this degreaser, and we are going to soak it. We're gonna let it chill, and then we're gonna wash it down, but I'm gonna do that later on. The focus of this video was this noise problem, just in case you have one of these engines, Ford 4.6 liter. I believe the 5.2, 5.4, whatever, I'm having a brain fart right now, also suffer from the same thing. So we got all these guides and tensioners and all this other good stuff going on here. The chain is probably not stretched, I'm not sure. We're gonna put a new one anyways, but we're gonna, now that you're here, you might as well just throw everything in there. Those pieces of plastic are probably deep in the oil pan, way down in there, floating about. So that's it for right now. I just wanted to do a quick video on this in case you're having some funky noises. One way you can isolate, which is what I did here, like I said earlier, I thought it was a drive belt noise. It was chirpy more than anything else, like a loud scream almost, and sometimes it will rattle, yeah. But what I did is I removed the drive belt out of the equation, let it cool down, and then fire it up, and it did the same noise. So I already knew it wasn't a drive belt problem or some kind of component or anything. So I knew it was inside, and because I know these things break all the time, I pretty much had an idea. So there you see it. All right guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video. Ciao.